So there are three classes in Bryophyta, starting with hepatic opsida, which includes liverworts. The name liverworts was given because of liver-like lobed structure. And out of all the three groups of Bryophyta, liverworts includes the primitive bryophytes, and these are mostly been seen in the damp soils, logs of trees, in the streams, soils of moist condition, and likewise wherever the moist and shady places are there, in those areas these liverworts are most frequently growing. These members will show generally thalloid plant body, and here the thalloid plant body is nothing but the gametophytic generation, which is haploid and dominant stage. And here also the two generations are there, the sporophytic generation and the gametophytic generation, in which the gametophyte is a dominant stage where undifferentiated plant body is present. And here these members will produce participate in reproduction, that is by vegetative process, that is a formation of fragmentation. Apart from that one, they also participate in the reproduction by formation of special structures called as gemmae. Gemmae are the multicellular, green, asexual structures. These are formed in special cup-like structures are called as a gemma cups or receptacles. Then when this gemma are separated, they grow into the new individuals. So if you see the sexual method of reproduction, here the gametophytic generation will produce the sex organs. Those are called as antheridia and the archegonia. So let's take the example of Markantia, in which the plant body is dioecious in its nature, where the male and the female are separate. So at the tip of this one, they have some branch like structure having, this is called as archegoniophore, which contains archegonia at its tip. And at the same time they have rhizoid like structures at the base and gemma cups. Here this is a female prothallus, and male prothallus is also there, exactly similar to that of the female prothallus, but in place of this archegoniophore it contains antheridiophore, and at the tip of the antheridiophore the antheridia will be present. We cannot differentiate the male prothallus from the female prothallus till they start producing the archegonium and the antheridium. So here archegonium is the female reproductive organ or the female sex organ, and the antheridia is a male sex organ. The archegonia will produce the egg cell and antheridia will produce the male gametes, which are motile, and with the help of they will swim in the water with the help of the flagella and reach the archegonium, and they will participate in the reproduction, that is leading to the formation of zygote. Likewise, the zygote will be converted into embryo by mitotic division. Embryo will give rise to the sporophyte. Here the sporophyte is dependent on the gametophytic generation, which have the spore producing structure that is called as capsule, and once the spores have been liberated, they give rise to the new gametophytic generation.